Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Thursday, August the 15th, and I wanted to share with you our keto grocery shopping haul. So I shopped two stores today. I shopped at Harris Teeter and I shopped at Walmart. Now my budget for today was $77 because we got kids deposit this morning, and so I had, after I got all of the things I needed to get, $77 is what was left, and so we are using that for grocery money. So I was prepared for that, but then I actually received a gift card in the mail for Walmart. So I was able to go over to Walmart and spend $50 to really stock us up. It's been a tight month for us, and we are making do with what we have. But we were very blessed to be able to grab that gift card. And I was like, thank you, Lord, that there was extra, because, you know, we're still feeding 4 people and just trying to make do. I'm going back to work, so now I have to have lunches because I pack my lunch. I don't eat out. And so this is what we were able to get. Okay, you guys, so I picked up 3 bags of cauliflower. I know people say, all you eat is cauliflower and broccoli. It's what we like, so we buy it. And then 2 bags of the broccoli florets. I was getting the broccoli cuts because they were a little bit cheaper, but I don't really like the cuts. I like the florets better. Those were all 98 cents a piece. We picked up some salted butter. Butter from Walmart, $2.98. Blueberries, this is a 24 ounce for $4. Strawberries were $3.57. We picked up radishes for $1.47. Mini cucumbers for $2.47. 2 Fiji waters for 57 cents each. This was, oh goodness, less than $2 for the almond milk. I can't remember exactly. Then I picked up 2 pounds of tilapia. That was a little over $5. The extra large shrimp were $5.44. And then they had 2 packages of turkey. So turkey wings for $3.55. And then they had turkey drumsticks for $3.14. And then I did get the Max pork rinds. Those were like $2.62 or something like that. Picked up the 60 count eggs. They were $3.50 something. And then my paper towels were a little bit less than $2. So at Walmart, my budget was $50. I had a $50 gift card, and I went over about $2.62. So I spent $52.62. So just over by $2.62. I'll take it because we got a lot. We're going to make blueberry muffins for breakfasts. We always like to have strawberries for lunches. The kids will make a dip with the cucumbers. We're going to rice the cauliflower, and then of course just the meat, protein, but lean protein. And then at Harris Teeter, I picked up some good things here. So the first thing I picked up were the Lily's chocolate chips. They were $6.99. That's a little pricey, but I didn't get any last week, and I don't think the week before that. And we do have almond flour that someone sent us from Amazon, so we can do a little baking. The Lily's chocolate bars, these two, one is an almond and one is sea salt. They were $2.79, and then the salted caramel was $3.49. So that was a little bit of a treat. Picked up some grits for my mom. They were a little bit over $1.50. Then I picked up this steak. Now, whenever I see a yellow ticket, I try to be mindful. Now, this steak was $7.59, but I'm gonna cut this into 4 or at least 3 smaller steaks, so that'll give me 3 different servings. Jackson likes steak, Mom likes steak, Alana will not eat that, so I'm gonna cut this at least in thirds. I don't think I'll get it in fourths, but at least me and Jackson will have a couple steaks. And then I got these sandwich steaks for $1.91. Bologna was 99 cents. The kids like that for their lunch. Sweet relish, no sugar added, was $2.49. And then they had these tricolored peppers for $1. They were produce rewrapped, so I did pick. I'm thinking I'm gonna do stuffed peppers with those. Onions were $1.69. We picked up an eggplant. So eggplant, I saw Jess from Journey to Healthy do, what does she do? Keto refried beans using eggplant. and I've seen Shelly do it on her channel once. So I just got a small one to see if we like it. I'm going to try that recipe, see if we like it. And then the kids wanted the Solar granola, and that was $5.99. Then cheese. So Alana asked me for cheese sticks, but I didn't have a coupon. So the cheese, the Cabot cheese was buy two, get two free. They were $3.99 each. So I'm going to cut those into cheese sticks for the kids. Harris Teeter's cheese slices were buy one, get one free at $2.99. And then their bacon was 4 for $10 or $2.50 a piece. So at Harris Teeter, I had a $77 budget, but no, I had $82 because I had $5 extra in my purse. But I put $17 in my gas tank, so that left me with $65. So my budget, or what I spent at Harris Teeter, was $65.17. So I was only over by 17 cents, and I did not have any coupons, but I had $26.62 in EVIC savings, and I got 66 fuel points and 115 fuel points to use for this month. So that is what I got from Harris Teeter. This is what I got at Walmart, and I will share with you our meal plan. I did forget the chicken breast, the Purdue chicken breast. These are already seasoned. They're 5 individually wrapped. They were $6.99 with a $3 off coupon. So I did actually spend $3.99 on the chicken breast. Alana won't eat steak, but she'll eat chicken. So Jackson and I are going to have steak, and Alana's going to have chicken. So that's what we picked up at Harris Teeter. Now to the meal plan. Okay, so this is the Southern Keto Cookbook. No, this is Craveable Keto. So I'm going to do the shrimp and cheesy cauliflower rice stuffed peppers, but I'm going to make them unstuffed because I have those chopped peppers. So I'm not going to stuff this in the pepper. I'm just going to mix it all together and bake it. So I have the shrimp, I have cauliflower, and I have peppers. So I'm going to do that. Then we're going to do the Mexican chicken soup. That's one. Tonight, because it's already Thursday, we're just going to have steak and eggs. So steak and eggs for tonight. I might do a pan-seared chicken with the balsamic cream sauce. I may not do the mushrooms because we don't have mushrooms, but I'll do the onions. So a pan-seared chicken with balsamic cream sauce and onions. We've had that before and we really did like it. I do have to do something with the refried beans, so there may be a Mexican meal. Okay, here is a recipe in the Southern Keto Cookbook for salmon patties, but I don't have salmon. I do have tilapia, so I think I'm just going to grind some tilapia and make tilapia patties. So they'll kind of still end up looking something sort of like this, but I don't have salmon. I use what I have. So I'm going to do ground tilapia to make that, and I'm not sure about one meal. So for meals this week, we're going to have the Mexican taco soup. We'll have that with eggplant refried beans, shrimp, rice, and stuffed peppers, but they'll be unstuffed, steak and eggs, baked turkey wings and turkey legs, and then the tilapia patties. So that's not quite 7 meals, but it is, and then we might be able to do like steak fajitas, because I'm still looking at some stuff I have. And we do have sausage, so I may be able to do some kind of sausage, use it like ground beef. I'm not real sure, but I'll do something because I do have that. And I have chicken legs, so we can always do roasted chicken legs and then some type of a sausage meal. But this is what we're looking at for this week, and we'll see how it goes. So we do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.